Qualifying in 15.
Good boss.
Guys, better hurry this up. Where are my tire pressures at?
Car's good to go, boss.
Did you refuel it? Get over here, boy.
What?
I'm down in power.
Hey, Cal, track's hot. Let's go out.
I'm letting my transmission warm up and my differential. We're late for qualifying.
Was that blessed?
I think I want cams, just for the sound.
You think I could fit 14 wides next year?
SR20 really is God's engine.
I think I need a set of Blitz 03s.
So I can't buy those Blitz 03s?
Did you get it?
Real 326, man.
I used to be 3 inches lower last year.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. You got that?
What do you mean I need to watch my oil temps? Holy, I've gone through 8 tires today and it's only noon. Oh my god, I'm almost out of gas. Anyone have a jerry can? Oh my gosh, I've driven 1,000 kilometers on track today. Check engine light's on, but it's still there. I haven't checked my oil since I bought it. This thing's awesome. How often do you guys check your oil? Every 2 events? Oh, coolant temp's only 250. We'll be alright. I don't understand it has no oil. It's leaking oil. Hey man, do you have a jack I could borrow?
No, man. Can't you see I'm using it?
All good, all good. Sorry. Hey man, got any spare lug nuts?
No, man. That's
Hey man, did you bring any extra tires?
none for you.
Hey man, did you bring a spare SR20?
What do you think this is?
Oh geez, okay man. Hey, can I borrow your lug nut?
No, I'm using them.
Hey, can I borrow your torque wrench?
No.
Did you see me tap the wall? Ever since we crashed, my door doesn't close properly. These are the best racing shoes. How am I supposed to learn if I don't crash? This car used to be so clean when I bought it. This is my 8th taillight. I think this will buff right out. I always drift and flops. I gotta drive this to work tomorrow and I've already crashed it. You think that R34 wants to tandem? The kid I crashed into wants me to pay for damages. No way. 5, 3, 2. Just me. You should have seen the car I learned in.
I don't know why you guys bother with this Jap scrap.
Man, I used to buy these things for $1,000 back in the day.
Should have bought a Corvette.
You paid how much for this?
How are you supposed to fit the old lady in the back?